Who's this stoic, powerful figure with a thick double coat, a curled tail, and a gaze that seems to look straight through you? If you're thinking of the Akita Inu, you're looking at a living national treasure of Japan. Famous worldwide for the story of Hachiko the dog who waited 9 years at a train station for his deceased owner, this breed is the ultimate symbol of loyalty and dignity. But is life with an Akita Inu a dream of silent companionship? Or does their history as a big game hunter and guardian mean they are more than most people can handle today? We are embarking on a massive 2,100-word deep dive into the world of the Akita Inu to uncover the truth about this legendary breed. We'll explore their origins in the snowy mountains of northern Japan, the difference between the Japanese Akita and the American Akita, and the reality of their complex social needs. We'll separate the myths from the reality and show you exactly what it takes to earn the respect of a dog that lives by its own code of honor. Let's unlock the spirit of the Akita. Part 1, The Ancient Origins, Hunters of the Snow. The story of the Akita Inu begins in the rugged, mountainous Akita prefecture of northern Japan for centuries. These dogs were the companions of the Matagi traditional winter hunters. They weren't hunting. Small game, they were bred to track and hold large animals like wild boar, yes, oh dear, and even the massive U.S. history brown bear. This history shaped every part of the Akita we see today. Their thick, plush double coat was designed to survive sub-zero temperatures and heavy snowfall. Their webbed feet allowed them to move through deep snow with ease. Most importantly, their temperament was forged in the fire of high-stakes hunting. They had to be brave enough to face a bear, yet silent and focused enough to track through the wilderness. In the 1930s, the Japanese government officially declared the Akita Inu a natural monument, cementing their place as a cultural icon of Japan. Part 2, the Hachiko legacy loyalty without limits. You cannot talk about the Akita without mentioning Hachiko. In the 1920s, this Akita would meet his owner, Professor Ueno, at Shibuya Station every single day. When the professor died unexpectedly at work, Hachiko continued to show up at the station at the exact time the train arrived every day for nearly 10 years until his own death. This story defines the Akita's honest truth, that loyalty is absolute, but it is not easily given. An Akita does not love everyone. They are one-family dogs who are often aloof and indifferent to strangers. They don't beg for attention like a golden retriever. They offer a quiet, dignified presence. To an Akita, the owner is their world. But the rest of the world is just background noise. Part 3, the Akita vs. the American Akita. The Great Divide. After World War II, American soldiers brought Akita dogs back to the United States. Over time, breeding practices in the U.S. and Japan diverged, leading to the distinct types. The Japanese Akita Inu, smaller, more fox-like in appearance, and only allowed in specific colors: red, brindle, and white. They have a more refined, elegant look and a strictly Oriental Yujiro white markings on the sides of the muzzle, cheeks, and body. The American Akita, larger, heavier, and more bear-like. They can come in any color and often have a black mask on their face, which is strictly forbidden in the Japanese standard. While they share common roots, the American Akita is often more protective and physically imposing, while the Japanese Akita is noted for its sharp, primitive instincts. Part 4, personality. The silent guardian, the Akita, is often described as cat-like. They are incredibly clean dogs that often groom themselves. They are usually very quiet in the house, rarely barking unless there is a genuine reason. However, they are also highly dominant and can be aggressive toward other dogs, especially those of the same sex. This is a breed that requires the 3 C's: calm, consistent, and confident leadership. They are highly intelligent, but also very independent. If an Akita doesn't respect you, they won't listen to you. They aren't eager to please in a traditional sense. They are eager to partner. Training must be based on mutual respect rather than force. Part 5, health and vital care. The cost of dignity. Akitas are generally hardy, with a lifespan of 10 to 12 years. However, their size and genetics bring specific challenges. 1. Bloat, gastric torsion. As deep-chested dogs, this is a major risk. Small, frequent meals are a must, too. Autoimmune conditions. They are prone to specific issues like sebaceous adenitis, a skin condition. and uveitis syndrome, which affects the eyes and skin. 3. Hip dysplasia, like all large breeds. Joint health is a priority. For shedding, twice a year they blow their coat, which means your house will be covered in enough fur to make a second dog. Invest in a high-quality vacuum. Conclusion: the Akita Inu is a dog for the dedicated. They are stoic, noble, and fiercely loyal samurai who will guard your home and your heart with everything they have. They aren't for the first-time owner or the faint of heart, but for those who understand their silent code. There is no greater honor than being loved by an Akita.